Road safety concerns us all. But did you know that the assessment of road user safety is limited to a few scenarios? To this day, dummies used in regulatory crash tests have almost exclusively the size and constitution of an average man. Females are represented by just a small 5th percentile dummy. Assessments with an average female anthropometry are not included in regulations or consumer information tests. Especially in low-severity collisions, women are exposed to a significantly higher injury risk. This calls for an approach requiring more comprehensive safety assessments and considering the entire population. It is imperative that the average female is represented by new open-source human body models, together with the average male. The Virtual project has the objective to improve road users' safety by providing procedures and open access tools, including cost-benefit analysis tools, to assess the benefits of new safety systems. The OpenVT platform has been established to host the open-source human body models and simulation tools, and provides guidelines on how to implement new scenarios in test procedures as a complement to physical testing of road users' safety assessment. Virtual bridges the gap between physical and virtual testing by developing and using new human body models known as Viva Plus, and their physical counterparts, the seat evaluation tools, SET. Its baseline models include average female and male vehicle occupants and vulnerable road users, pedestrians and cyclists, as well as public transport users. Adopting an open science approach not only ensures that project results will be freely available, it also allows users to collaborate on tools and models and to participate in the development process, even beyond the project duration by the organization set up for this purpose, OVTO. More information on Virtual? Visit projectvirtual.eu.